Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're gonna take you outside there. We have a black Mercedes Benz CLA 250, I believe, completely hammered. The glass, the painted surfaces, the interior, the wheels, the engine bay, it looks real bad. It's black. So we're gonna go out there and show you the car, go through the entire process and show you one more time how we can get these cars to the level that we do with very few products, especially with the Swirl remover. One product. This product will be able to transform this car completely, and we're going to take you step by step from the clay block, which pads we use, to the wheel cleaners, the entire process outside and inside, and at the end we're going to put the Turbo Wax Booster 2.0. So nevertheless, let's flip this thing around. Outside we go and start a new journey. Okay, the new journey with the CLA 250. And as you can see, a lot of work ahead of us. The glass, the roof, and the hood. So we're gonna do our entire package, including the interior, glass, and we're gonna end up putting the boosted ceramic coating. So let's see how we do it. Okay, for the wheels, nothing fancy. The same brush we use for the carpets. Clean it up, use it here. The wheel cleaner deluxe. Yellow shampoo, some brushes. So just gonna spray away. And clean away. You can also use this on the carrier. Okay, engine bay. As you know, I'm not a fan of water in the engine bay, but this is extreme case. This thing, it will take forever to do it by hand like I usually do with the steam. So I cover some of the components that are so electrical there, and I'm just gonna just go over with the wheel cleaner everywhere, and just a quick pass with the pressure washer, and then I will finish it with the steam, and then eventually put the I will put the T2 in here. I won't put the coating. Just a quick pass. And I will dry this thing right away. And double checking, this still dirty, so I didn't got any water in there, which is phenomenal. So a lot better. It took a lot less time. Now I can go behind with the steamer and touch it up and apply the T2. All right, so after the wash, now we can really see what's happening here. We did the clay, and clearly the condition is in need of work. Everywhere. Might be hard to capture, but this is the window. Now I'm gonna polish them, and I do them during the washing process, so I can finish them up washing it one more time, and then we put the coating. Okay, so we got her inside, and we want to check the surface. And look at this. This is real bad. Real bad. So we're gonna have to be very careful with this paint. So we continue, but very careful. And what we got under the lights. Everywhere. Alright, so because of the condition of the car, we're gonna go with the pressure washer, and you can see the pressure washer review. We have a video about that. And for the interior, we use the interior Ultima shampoo gel. It's the only product that we sell that we don't manufacture at this time, and we're just gonna spray the carpets, and with the brush in a drill, clean away, go behind pressure washer, done deal. Takes 5 seconds. So we go. Okay, and the interior all done with the interior RP1. What a difference. Beautiful. This stuff is non-greasy, non-tacky, will not allow the dust to stick to it. Natural scent and natural leather scent. Okay, so we are ready to do the walk around. This thing came out stunning. So let's start with the engine bay. So we pressure washer, steam it, and put the T2. So it's looking good there. The hood also, we put the Quick Detailer Plus. The front grills we spray with the boosted, and then moving around we polish all the surfaces, polish the glass, headlights, tail lights, the wheels, and this is the result. This thing was in very bad shape, as you saw. and it looks just beautiful now, day and night. Check this view here. That is absolutely crazy right there. So we also did the interior came out real nice. You saw what we did with the interior. It's all nice and clean. Door jambs we did. Put the booster on the glass too. The tires and wheel with the wheel cleaner deluxe on the T2. So the T2 did a lot of work for us this time. And then another view here of this stunning, looking very good. All right, so we got Angel back there. He was helping us. So we are done with this car, and now we hope to see you next time with the next project. Don't forget, you can check us online, turbowax.com. Check us on Instagram. Until next time.